Did you know that people say, bless you, when you sneeze because when you sneeze, your heart stops? As for a millisecond, your heart doesn't stop completely, but it may slow down or skip a beat. But it has nothing to worry about. Did you know that? A snail can sleep for 3 years. Snails require moisture to survive. So, if there is extreme weather, they can sleep up to 3 years. It is reported that based on geography, snails often hibernate or estivate in order to escape from warm climates. Did you know that what do bulletproof vests? Fire escapes. Windshield wipers and laser printers all have in common. Answer: all invented by women. The only common thing is that all are invented by women.